Reality can be stranger than fiction at times. Other times, reality appears to be fiction. We're not talking about elves, mermaids, or knights in shining armor here. We're talking about the strangest, least known things on the planet. A 1,500-year-old plant, a dog-friendly island, and even a machine that prints brick roads. Yes, the world is full of amazing and truly incredible things you had no idea existed. So in today's video, we will talk about the 10 crazy things you never knew existed. Without further delay, let's start the video. An alien abduction insurance policy. You've probably heard of home insurance, car insurance, and life insurance. But what about alien abduction insurance? The St. Lawrence Agency in Altamont Springs, Florida sells it for $19.95. According to the Miami Herald, the company has sold over 6,000 policies, totaling $10 million in coverage. However, in order to be eligible for a claim, you must return to Earth. Not only that, but you'll also require the signature of an authorized onboard alien. Good luck with that, by the way. A plant that lives for thousands of years. According to the South African National Biodiversity Institute, the Welwitschia mirabilis is found in the Namib Desert and consists of 2 leaves, a stem base, and roots. Carbon dating tells us that Welwitchias are 500 to 600 years old on average, though some of the larger specimens are thought to be 2,000 years old, writes the institute. Their estimated lifespan ranges between 400 and 1,500 years. Annual growth occurs during the summer months. A vertical forest. Milan's Bosco Verticale, or vertical forest, may appear to be a futuristic art installation, but it is very real. The twin high-rises were completed in 2014, and they include nearly 500 medium and large trees, 300 small trees, 5,000 shrubs, and 11,000 plants, in addition to more than 100 residential apartments. Furthermore, they are extremely beneficial to the environment. The towers can convert approximately 44,000 pounds of carbon dioxide into oxygen each year. Professional apologizers. If you have a natural ability to express regret and make others feel better about an inconvenient or unpleasant situation, you may be well suited for a career as a professional apologizer. Companies such as Southwest Airlines hire qualified candidates to deal with irate customers, which means you can be compensated for effective apologies. You must be able to assess the situation, understand what the problem is, what caused the problem, and turn it around to a response that the customer can relate to. Quokkas. Quokkas should be the most popular animals in the world, based solely on their cuteness. However, they are still relatively unknown. So what makes a quokka so extraordinary? It's easy. Quokkas always appear to be smiling due to their bone structure. These marsupials can be found on small islands off the coast of Western Australia. According to National Geographic, some people have dubbed them the happiest animal in the world. A machine that prints brick roads. A brick road can take weeks to properly lay out by hand. Alternatively, you could achieve the same result more quickly by using a Tigerstone road printing machine. Following the loading of bricks into the hopper, the machine arranges and lays them out in the desired pattern, similar to how a printer rolls out paper. A cave that could fit a 40-story building. The Han Son Dong Cave in Vietnam is the world's largest cave, and it has some pretty epic proportions. The cave was recently measured to be 2.5 miles long, with some passages as wide as 300 feet and more than 600 feet high in places. According to National Geographic, that's enough space to fit an entire New York City block of 40-story buildings. Lickable wallpaper. If you're thinking about redecorating your home and want it to be both stylish and tasty, consider lickable wallpaper. This delectable decor, inspired by Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory, does exist, though it's marketed more for theme parties than for everyday use. A bubblegum pink lake. If you came across Lake Hillier or Hutt Lagoon in Australia without knowing anything about them, you might think you'd stumbled into a candy-like dream world. This is due to the fact that both the lake and the lagoon are bubblegum pink. The coloring is thought to be caused by high salt levels in the water, and for breathtaking waterfront views, that must be seen to be believed. A tunnel of leaves. The Kleven train tunnel in Kleven, Ukraine is a 3-mile leafy passageway that's sometimes referred to as the Tunnel of Love. The train that molded the trees shaped the path, which follows a railroad track. The track is still running today, albeit at a much lower frequency. That means tourists can walk through the tunnel and take in the breathtaking scenery. Human-sized beavers. Fortunately, these enormous rodents became extinct near the end of the last ice age, around 10,000 years ago. The animals weighed over 200 pounds and were roughly the size of modern-day black bears. Scientists discovered the massive beaver fossils in lakes and wetlands across North America, from Florida to the Yukon. Wolfins. A bottlenose dolphin and a false killer whale got chummy and had a baby in 1985. Kekai-Malu, the female offspring, was labeled as a wolfin and is the only known living hybrid of the two species. She did, however, have 3 babies with a bottlenose dolphin, one of whom still lives with her at Sea Life Park on the Hawaiian island of Oahu. So that's the end of the video. Make sure to like the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and press the notification bell so you never miss out on our next videos. Until the next video, take care.